Hey everyone, in this video, I'm going to show you on how you can transfer money from GCash to Security Bank. So, to be able to do that, just have to open your GCash application. So, you just have to wait for this one to load. Now, once you're here, you just have to click on the transfer option from the dashboard, which is this one. So, we're gonna click on that transfer. And then you just have to click on the local. And then scroll a bit and tap on View All. And then from here, you can search Security Bank. Just this one. And then from here, you can put the amount that you want to send, the account name of the receiver, the account number of the receiver, and this is just optional right here. You can put here your email for GCash to send the receipt. And then just have to fill out the details from here. Then after doing that, just double check all the details for accuracy, then tap on send money at the bottom. And a confirmation screen will appear and you can download or share the receipt. That GCash will also send a confirmation via email. So that's pretty much it. I hope you find this video helpful. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!